Hi, welcome back to Corso di Tromba. This video is a breathing exercise for the high register. So make sure that when you do it, keep your corner steady and imagine, I will also guide you through the video, imagine that you are playing the high register, for real. If you want more videos and to have advantages, make sure to subscribe as a premium user. Bars rest. 2 in, 4 out. Two bars. 1 in, 2 out. This is your chance to make a change in the world's trumpet community. You can now subscribe starting from €3 per month. And speaking about that, thank you very much to my current students and premium subscribers. This is all possible because of you guys. Enjoy the video. Rest, 1 in, 2 out. One. Relax. 4 in, 4 out. Now relax, just make sure that you play in the same way that you should play the high register. So in a relaxed way, yes, but make the difference with your pressure as if you are going to the high register, as we do during the online lessons. See you in the next video. Bye!